Thank you for choosing our new and improved PL1220 laser. In this series of videos, we'll cover most of what you need to know about assembling your machine and some common troubleshooting topics for new users. Some of the parts are heavy, so grab some friends to help out if needed, and be safe. Normally, your machine will be delivered curbside, and it's up to you to move the crate to a different location, or simply open the crate where it is and move the individual parts to your shop area. The setup and assembly of our new PL1220 is a simple process. We created this series of videos to help you with that process, which is actually a lot of fun. If you purchased the optional rolling stand, the next video in this series will show you how to assemble the stand, or you can move on to part 3, which covers installation of the laser tube and chiller. When your machine is moved into the position where you'll be using it, whether it's on the stand or on a dedicated tabletop, you'll want to install the foot pads that are included on all of the feet. And this will help keep those components from sliding around, and if you're using the stand and the rolling stand, this will help secure those components on top. You might hit a rock as you're rolling it along, and that could cause some slippage on the machine. So make sure you install the foot pads on both the rotary cabinet and on the laser machine, and that'll keep it safe. Now it's just a process of removing all of the zip ties on the belts. There'll be one on the right and the left, and there'll also be one on the gantry. And you'll want to be careful removing those that you don't cut into any of the belt surface right there. And the guide rails should be lubricated. This is normal, so they should have a good coating of lubrication on there. And in the back, you can open up the laser tube area and pull off the protector on top of the mirror heads. And now we're ready to move on to installing the laser tube and the chiller.